The tension in the neighborhood grew thicker with each passing day. Word of my legal preparations and efforts to stand my ground spread quickly among neighbors. Some neighbors supported me quietly, sharing stories of Karen's petty harassment. Others remained silent, wary of the HOA's influence and afraid of retaliation. The community, once peaceful and united, now felt fractured. Karen's harassment intensified. She posted online, claiming I was illegally renting out my property, which was false, and warned others that I was a danger to the neighborhood's standards. She contacted local authorities, trying to have me declared in violation of HOA rules, even filing complaints that were baseless. Her overreach was blatant and the pressure was mounting. But I refused to be intimidated. I knew I had rights and I had evidence. I continued gathering documentation, photos, emails, permits, and hired a local attorney, specializing in property disputes and HOA conflicts. The lawyer reassured me that her claims were unfounded and that I had a strong case. Meanwhile, I organized a community meeting, inviting neighbors to discuss the ongoing issues. Many showed up, some supportive, others cautious. The room was filled with tension. Some neighbors were afraid to take sides, others angry at Karen's abuse of power. I explained my side calmly, presenting my evidence and emphasizing that I was within my rights. I urged everyone to stand together and not let Karen or the HOA bully us. Support for me grew. Several neighbors reached out, sharing stories of Karen's overreach and expressing their own frustrations with HOA, rules they felt were unfair or overly restrictive. Together, we decided to form a support network, a coalition to defend our rights and push back against Karen's petty bullying. Karen, sensing her influence was waning, doubled down. She sent more threatening emails, spread rumors, and continued to post on neighborhood forums, but I was prepared. I filed a formal complaint with the HOA, attaching all my evidence, and demanded a meeting to resolve the issue. I also changed my access controls, making it clear I was ready to defend my property. That night I sat on my porch, looking out at my land, feeling a mixture of frustration and determination. I knew this was only the beginning.
Karen's obsession with control was escalating, but I wasn't backing down.
I had support, evidence, and the law on my side. This was a battle not just for my property, but for my dignity and rights as a homeowner. I promised myself I wouldn't let her or the HOA push me around. I was ready for the next phase, fighting back more aggressively, with every tool I could muster. The war was far from over, but I was more determined than ever. This chapter was about resilience, community, and the unwavering belief that truth and justice would prevail.